That little bird told me you're cheating, talking about secrets she found while you were sleeping. I gave you my trust, you treat it like it's got no meaning. You wouldn't even tell me I had to hear it singing. Said you're choosing her, that's where your heart is leaning. Funny how the lies sound sweet when the truth is barely breathing. You took my heart and just dropped it like that. You turned around to stab me in the back. Don't tell me it's not true, don't tell me it's a lie. That little bird keeps singing our love's goodbye. Little bird flying too close to me. Little bird singing of what I didn't see. Don't come, you can't say that I'm mistaken. That little bird, stop talking, 'cause your heart's hers to be taken. If you're going somewhere else, don't say it's soft, don't say it's slow. I let her wait in confession, be the last thing I know. If love had wings, it would circle then flee. Broken at my window, now you're dead to me. Every new cut's paper thin. That little bird knows where you've been. You took my heart and just dropped it like that. You used me once, then erased the past. I know it's true, I know it's no lie. That little bird keeps singing your last goodbye. That little bird told me you're leaving, said you're taking that dusty road to Cleveland. You're gone from here, I'm unfazed with the truth.